Hello everybody, welcome to Micah's coding class. Today we're gonna learn how to create this. If you have been with me when throughout previous videos, you would see this is Jump All Jump by Micah, but I added this and now you can see it's Jump All Jump by Mike, and it has this, and if you see that on click, if you click that on click button, if you click on it, the game starts, and we're not using the mouse pad anymore. As if you read this over here, it says press the space button to start the game right here. Jump all jump. Okay, now remember this is the one we made last time, so we're gonna edit this so it can look like that. It's just to make it better. So I open up our coding editor. The previous codes are here. One we did last time, they're all here. So first things first, we need to do is clear this out, this on click, because it's gonna give us problems in the future. So if we refresh now, we're not on clicking, but the game is still working. Okay, now we're gonna say right at the bottom, we're gonna put div hashtag h1 slash p, because there's a h1 and p that's gonna be here. Div hashtag h1 slash p. Or we can just do it like this, h1. h1. We're gonna put the p later, and we're gonna put slash p over here. Okay, now we're gonna say h1. We're gonna give this, but let's do this first. Jump ball jump, jump ball jump, and the p, we're gonna say press the space button to start the game. Start the game. If we save, move back here and refresh, it's here, but it's not exactly where we want it to be, so we can just put some style in there. Okay, so now let's do that. Over here we're gonna say style text outline, and that's gonna be center. So I'm gonna copy this right here, Control C, and go to our p variable, p div, and then I'm going to put it right there. And as I've saved, and if I refresh, now it sees at the center like this. Okay, now let's continue. We need to make all this not show up like this. Our goal is this for now, so let's put this as display none. Okay, let's do that. I believe y'all know how to do this, like my last video. Style display none. That's it, the full game, nothing is gonna show up. Over here, refresh, but the game is still working, but we can't just see it. If I refresh, you can see we hit something, but we can't control it. So let's edit that right after we finish the HTML part. So we're gonna copy this display none. It's just here. We're gonna copy this, Control C, paste it over here. Oh, it's here. Display none. Display none. Save. And nothing is displaying, but the game is still working. If you see that in your computer, if you're following me, it's not an issue. So let's continue. So I'm gonna put div id but, short for button, and now I'm gonna say button hashtag btn, also short for button but in a different way. So we're gonna say click to start. So we save, refresh our buttons over here, we can click on it, but the game's still working. Don't worry about that just for now. So we're gonna put this in the center. I'm just gonna say style, text, align, center, save, refresh. No, I mean align items over here. Align items, save, refresh. Okay, don't worry about that for now. I'm gonna do that later. Yeah. So let's move this to the bottom with break, lots of it. Control C, paste a lot of it because I don't know the exact break I used for the last one. Keep putting, I know it's a lot. Refresh, okay, that's too much. Let's remove a few. Refresh, okay, a little more. And refresh. You know, this is inside a div, so it won't matter if we set to display none. Everything, all these breaks would just be, it would just be gone. So now we're gonna go to the bottom here. I'm gonna say here. So we're gonna say but hashtag but display flex justify content center align items also center. If we save that, move back here and refresh. I think we forgot text align center, refresh. Okay guys, I've seen the error. It's supposed to be double T. It's supposed to be double T, BUTT. Yep, that's correct. Save and refresh, and now you see it's in the center. The game's still working. Don't worry about that for now. So let's keep on moving. So now I'm gonna say hashtag BUTT, hashtag BTN, I mean. So I'm gonna say background color, that's for the button, blue, representing the game. Border color, green, and color white. Save, refresh, and now we're looking sick, almost like this. Okay guys, I don't think we need those breaks anymore. It's not necessary. We don't need those breaks anymore. Okay, we do need them, but it wasn't enough, so let's add more. Control C, B, save, refresh. I think we need to add more. Okay, save, refresh. Okay, that should be in the perfect side. Let's just leave it. So, and now we need a hover function. We're gonna say the same thing we set there. Hashtag BUTT, hashtag BTN, opacity 0.8. So if we hover, it's gonna shrink in color. And then we're gonna say cursor pointer. And one more thing we need to do, BUTT BTN dot active. I forgot to put this as hover. And this one's active. And the only thing we're gonna say transform scale is 0.90. Save, refresh. Let's get a chance to click on it, and you see the scale. Okay, now we need to set in JavaScript part, so that's gonna be very easy because we've set everything else and the code is already here. So we're gonna give space for talk. We're gonna say document dot get element by ID btn dot onClick equal to function, and this is the function. We're gonna put the closing tag right here at the bottom. If we save, move back here and refresh, that means until we click on this button, none of those functions will run. So that means we just stop the game. If until we click on this button, nothing's happened, but you see the game is running. That's wow. That's basic JavaScript. So now let's move next to make the game appear so we can actually play it. I'm gonna say documents dot get element by ID game dot style dot display equal to none. I mean block. And document dot get element by ID butt dot style dot display equal to none. So if we save and refresh, if we click on this, it's working, the game is appearing, and that just disappears, but we can play it even if we put back the onClick function, which we're gonna do right now. OnClick jump function. It's not gonna work because we're already sending codes to override that. So I'm clicking and it's not working. No matter how hard I try, click on OK, keep on clicking, it's not working. So that's why we don't need this. Save. We're gonna setting other codes for that. But before we set other codes for that, we need to show out some things. If we click on that button, document get element by ID dot h1/p dot style dot display equal to block. So if we save and refresh like this, if we click on it, everything is working. If we click, everything is working here. But now let's check it out. If we refresh, click, there should be an error there. Let's save to block. Let's check that out. That's not it. That thing, this h1/p is present, but it's not displayed none. We only set the h1 and p, not the h1.p div. So we're gonna put in some code for this. So let's just do that real quick. Okay, and now we can remove this too. Saving, refresh. Now if we click on it, it's showing as normal and usual. So now we need to make let's start jumping and moving as usual. That's not gonna take us anything, so we're going to go to the bottom here. Below the jump function, we're gonna say window dot add event listener, and that's key down, comma, event, and we're gonna put in some curly brackets. And now we're gonna say switch event dot key, and then I'm gonna say case, and that case is gonna be case of space, and we're gonna put a break function down here. So this is over, and we're gonna say jump, and then we're gonna put the curly brackets. Okay guys, I think we made an error here. Oh yeah, and the error is this: we forgot to put this. Save, move back here and refresh. If we click and press on the space button, we're jumping and we're playing the game as usual. And this is the end of Micah's coding class. This is the end of this video. I hope you like, subscribe, try to do more of these on your own, and hit the notification bell so if I post any new videos, you'll be the first to know. My name is Micah, and this was Micah's coding class. Thank you.